Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Scrape. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of SQL Server 2025 on the Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here SQL Server download. So that's going to show you this Microsoft.com. So just simply click on this Microsoft SQL Server downloads. So this link I am going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you have to scroll down and you will get this SQL Server 2025 is available to download. So you are going to proceed with SQL Server 2025 Express Edition. So just simply click on download button for Express. So this Express Edition is what commonly used on product based companies. So that is what we are going to show you. If you want to use the developer edition, so that also I have made a video on how to use this SQL Server developer edition and how to log in. So for that I have already made a video, so you can also check that out. So our SQL Server Express Edition 2025 is right downloaded over here. So just simply click on that installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. You can minimize your browser. Here you need to just simply click on basic installation. And these are our license agreement. You must read this and click on accept. So this is where our SQL Server is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on install. And that's going to immediately start installing our SQL Server 2025 Express Edition. And to have active internet connection during this installation. So we'll come back. So now you can clearly see that our SQL Server 2025 is now rightly installed. So now it's time to install SSMS. So just simply click on this install SSMS. That's going to redirect to your browser. And here you'll get a download SQL Server Management Studio 22 installer. So just simply click on that button. And our installer going to download automatically. Just simply click on that installer and you can minimize your browser. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and here is our Visual Studio installer. You can close this SQL Server 22 for now. Here just simply click on continue. Visual Studio installer is rightly downloading. Here let's maximize it. I need to select all these four options and just simply click on install. So that's going to immediately start downloading and going to install it. So it's going to take some time. You need to have active internet connection for this, and there you go. So our SQL Server Management Studio version 22 is also rightly installed. So let's launch it. Just simply click on this launch button. That's going to launch our SQL Server Management Studio 22 and minimize your Visual Studio installer. And here it is telling whether you like to create an account or not. So for now I'm going to skip creating an account, but I highly recommend you to create an account. And here is our SSMS 22. So this is our connection window and this is our GitHub Copilot chat. Again, as I told you, it is important to sign in, then only you will be able to access GitHub Copilot. Again, how to use GitHub Copilot and also for that I have already made a video, so you can check that out. Now I'm going to show you how to logging into SQL Server 22. So first you need to provide a server name. To know the server name, first you need to open system properties or system information. So just open that. And there you will get system name. So in my case, system name is GS. So I'm going to use that. Here you will be getting your own system name. So whatever is your system name, you need to type that system name over here and then you need to give a slash. And then you need to type SQL Express. Remember, we need to provide SQL Express only when you are downloading SQL Server 2025 Express Edition. If you are downloading SQL Server Developer, then you need to only provide your system name. You don't need to give this slash SQL Express when you are downloading Developer Edition. But for Express Edition, you need to provide system name then slash SQL Express. Alright, and then you need to check this trust server certificate and click on connect. They are going to let me in into SQL Server Express Edition 2025. And you can always create a, click on this new query window and you can start working on your SQL projects right over here. Again, how to create table, database and all that, I have already made detailed dedicated video for that as well. You can always check all that out on our channel. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are really going to be very useful for you to learning more about Python, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. And if you're interested on WordPress, you can always check all these videos again. All are totally free. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.